Welcome back, everyone. Let's get back to work. GBP. Daily looks kind of bullish, but there is a chance it can close around this opening price because yesterday on Friday it made a hammer, so it should have continued. It might still hold today and give a breakout tomorrow. 4 hour looks bullish. There is no wick, so it can close around these highs. It's bullish in 4 hour. There was a 1 hour FEG and order block. This is a bad candle, inverted hammer with this much big of a wick. So it can also continue for downside, but it will confirm when it comes around its opening price. So that's the important level. Okay, this is a very important level where 4 hour and 1 hour candle opened. So if it breaks this low, so in 1 hour it will be like a continuation of this trend. So you have good levels in GBP to trade. This is one of the time where I'm not bearish or bullish. It's very bullish, bearish if it closes below these lows, this swing. If it closes above this swing, then it's bullish. But we have to have a bias. In a smaller time frame, it looks bullish. The displacement over here, then sideways, then a big retracement. So as per plan, we will pick one side and we favor bullishness. So GBP looking for buys. 5 minute closer above these levels. 3 minute will is also good. So 3 minute breakout structure, simple as that, nothing much. It's a good sell if it closes below these lows, but we will follow the trend, which is bullish. There was a breakout, then sideways, then breakout, then is against Poland flag. And this is a flag, then it can continue for the upside for these highs. Let's see. Euro. Euro is bearish, very bearish. Okay, so it gave a breakdown over here. There was, then it can retest these levels and continue for the downside. That's what we will plan for, but planning GBP for buys and Euro for sells. It's all right. I trade the chart. I know they both move in synchrony, but we will trade the chart. I expect it to go till these lows. So we will sell GBP. Euro is already in a 15-minute order block. Okay, so it's easy trade. I would prefer Euro because it has a clear chart than GBP. We are not sure about GBP. I believe it will also fall. The 4 hour candle looked bullish, but it hasn't formed yet. So I think Euro and GBP both will fall. We will take a 5 minute break of structure. 3 minutes should be good enough. Okay, so 3 minute break of structure for the downside, and we will enter in Euro. This is good. It's manipulating. Then if it gives a breakdown, then Euro would be a good trade. AUD, it's also bearish. It can take these swings. Bearish, there is no pullback, but let's go in the low time frame and see. So it was over on this level for a while. Give a breakdown. There is this swing. It is bearish. It tested the 1 hour order block. Yes, it created the fair value gap, but it has already tested the order block, so it can continue. There is no pullback. This was the pullback. It had made an inverted hammer, so you could have also entered here, keep ISL, but we are trading our time. Right now it's already at the level to trade. I believe a new session might manipulate this high and then continue for the downside. What I want to see is, it's not perfect. I need a pullback to trade AUD. Downside, I need 3 minute break of structure, same as other pairs. The difference is there is already a pullback in other pairs. I need a pullback in 3 minutes, green candle, then a red candle, then I can enter, or at least break these lows. This swing, it has already broke. It will break before the session. I hope it manipulates the highs or swings there had to be. If there is this fair value gap, that would be a good entry. So on other side, we will also look for a fair value retest and 1 minute break structure. This is 5 minutes. Okay, not bad. So okay, we have 5 minute FVG. JPY as expected should be bullish because the pairs are bearish. That's good. Then we have a good idea of the market trend for the day, that is bullish and JPY bearish. That's a good thing that all pair are in synchrony rather than one in the buy side and others are in the sell side. Actually, I would change my plan in GBP to sells, because that would be a better decision. Where is the swing? Okay, because when okay, so it will give a breakdown. We don't have much time. We have 3 pairs to backtest. Bullish, 4 hour bullish. Yeah, so there is no pullback. That's something I don't like. We need a place to enter. This was a good pullback retest, but right now it's again in continuation, so I don't prefer this one. This is also all right. Not bad, not great. If I would buy JPY, then I will go with half quantity, because I believe I can hit the SL in volatility. I need the retest. This is a very strong candle with no wick. So yes, it will go up, but from where, that's a problem. We don't have good place to keep a stop loss, so we need 15 minute uh, order block retest. 15 minute order block. 5 minute. Okay, and 3 minute breakout structure. Let's keep it simple. Need confirmation because otherwise we can be swept in volatility. Gold, it's sideways. It was bearish, but right now it's sideways. It can close around its opening price. There's a chance. Okay, it's sideways, so we can get a trend. Let me check NQ first because the time is already. We are a little late. It's bearish in daily. Bearish. Very bearish. There is no pullback. That's the problem. I want a pullback. Maybe retest of the FVG. It's a very strong candle. It has no wick. In 15 minutes. Okay, this is good. There was a range. It gave a breakdown. Okay, so this area retest is also good enough. We don't need to wait for 1 hour fair value gap to fill. Okay, retest of the order block. NQ, we will look for sells 15 order block plus 1 minute break of structure. This is also not bad. I need a little confirmation. There is a fair value gap in 5 minutes, so not yet, but it will form. Okay, if it continues, then retest of the fair value gap. Still, let's wait for the. What about gold? Daily 4 hour. I checked 1 hour. It's okay. It's good. It was. We will look for. I don't like this displacement, 2 candle displacement, and then it is sideways. So maybe I won't trade gold. Okay, I would not prefer to trade gold. The displacement was good. This is also a good displacement, but I don't feel in shorter time frame this was a good bearish leg. Okay, so we will get a trade. Let's flip the screen. GBP looks good. I'm a little late. It just retested and gave a 1 minute breakout structure. Okay, I will. Okay, we are in GBP. Might get stopped out. It's not a big SL. There is volatility, so I'll have to wait for other pairs. Okay, there's a good chance we will get stopped out in GBP. Okay, so AUD is good. We will get a trade in AUD because it's showing bullishness, which is in a way manipulation, which I really like to trade. Yes, we will trade AUD. 3 minute breakout structure. 1 minute. Okay. Once this gives a breakdown, we will enter. And NQ, this is also great. It's in the zone, manipulating. I need 1 minute breakout structure, that's all. Euro, it gave a breakdown. I will take the trade in Euro. We have got a better SL. Was not. Right now we have two open positions. I think I will get a trade in AUD before NQ. Doesn't look good. Both are in loss. I'll show my trade once let this finish. Maybe I'll wait for 3 minute break of structure because this displacement is not good. Yes, I need a there is a fair value gap. I might enter in 1 minute, but then it fills this fair value gap and continues. That's something we don't want. So we are in GBP and Euro. If it will give profit, then I will hit TP in both. Otherwise, both will go to SL. That's fine. Okay, GBP almost about to hit my SL. Open position. We won't get trading, but I forgot to check JPY. Okay, didn't give it gave a retest of the 5 minute order block. This is also still a good entry, but it's going pretty fast. I wanted a better retracement. It's still a good trade, but judging. Okay, so Euro GBP back moving in my direction. So this is a good trade. I should enter. I should not hesitate. Just hesitate and I will lose. But I don't see a big upside after this. That's the problem. I will go half. That was the plan. That's good. So we don't need to hesitate because if we lose money, then we will lose in half. So okay, we are done with 3 trades. Now we just have to manage our trades. Let me show you my trades. We entered SL below the swing. Still, one thing I'm worried about is that it comes back in the order block, 15 minute order block, then continues. But it's fine. That's why we went with half quantity because it's risky. So it's not a bad trade. It can continue. So good trade. And GBP. I sold it over here a little late. No, it's a good entry. My plan was 3 minute break of structure. It gave a break of structure, but before the session opened, so there's a good place to place my stop loss. I will target a little more because I need how much? Almost 3.2%. If all of them hit TP, then I want to clear my account today as I will target these swings. Okay, 3 point. I need 1:4. That's a good target. Euro is giving a good profit. M2M is good. There's a chance we might clear our account today itself if everything goes as planned. Our analysis was good. Everything is moving in the direction. So I might leave the M2M Okay, so there is a good chance I don't need to even do anything, and there is a better target which is this, but we need 1 is to 3.5 or 4, because if I target 1 is to 3 and all of them hit TP, then I'll miss my uh, clearing the challenge by a little bit, which I don't want. Right now we are at 400. We need 2% to clear the account. I won't hold this. I will hold it around 1 is to 4. I will target 1 is to 4 in mostly all the pairs except JPY, because JPY has already moved. There is less room for it to move. So in JPY, I'll only target 1 is to 3. Euro is looking good. So yes, 1 is to 4 is. I can target this 1 is to 5, 5.5, but 1 is to 4 will be enough for us to pass the account. Okay, so we have all the trades. Let me make 3 screens. If I pass my account today, then I might not trade tomorrow. I need 1 day off. I believe when you pass one step, then you should take a day off. That's gets you reset for the new phase. And we didn't trade the London session. I posted about not trading. You can check in my community section, and also on my what is it? X on Twitter. I also posted that I won't trade London session today. NQ 1 is to 3 achieved, but I want 1 is to 4. It's going, let it run. This is one of those moments where I think it's logical to target 1 is to 4, but technically I should exit. It's going pretty fast. I will hold. This is something I don't. 1 is 3 already achieved, guys. So my SL is a little smaller here. The M2M, you can look. It's already 74, 75, 70, 76, 80. Okay, so we will target 1 is to 4. It will hit 1 is to 4. 80, 90. Okay, almost there. Okay. I hope it doesn't reverse. Then I will have a regret that why didn't I trail? Why didn't I book my profit when it was supposed to? M2M, we are really good in the M2M. It's almost, we need 1.5% to pass the account. GBP, Euro, I am not feeling good about not. Where is Euro? Okay, it will hit the TP. Uh, GBP also started moving. 80, $20. So let's wait. I will uh, place the TP, take profit in. Okay, we have entered half quantity in USD JPY, so I don't think we will pass our account right away. I'm booking. Okay, we have a 1 minute swing. I will trail it to that level. So I am locking 75. So whatever happens, we will book our profit. 1 is to 3. if it I'm trailing it at let me show you. There's a good chunk. Okay, almost there. We will exit at 1:3. 78. Let's follow our rules rather than we will trade one more day. It's better I can risk less and pass the account next time. 79. If it touches 75, then I'll be out. And we are out. Okay. So you can check 73. Yeah, 74, 75. Let's go with 1:3 so we don't regret not following our plans. JPY we reached half, so our target will be 32.5 something. Okay, so we won't lose money today. That's one good thing. The problem is when I will right now our balance is 8%. We need 2%. If both hit TP, then I will miss my clearing the challenge by 20, 15, $20. So that's one thing I don't want to end like, because let me share the pairs. Then I'll have to trade one more day for no reason. The displacement is good, so there is no need to trade NQ anymore, even if it gives a 3-minute break of structure. Our M2M went around 8.5%, 8.4. So worst case scenario from here, let me trail my open positions NQ. Let me see if there is a place to trail. So I'm trailing NQ. Let me also draw it in the chart for you guys. This is not drawn properly. We hit the TP 1:3 in euro. I exited over here, and my entry, let me go in 1 minute, then it will be easy for me to mark the zones. Okay, my SL was somewhere around, okay, yeah, it was on these zones high. It will go for those lows which I marked, but I don't want to regret later that I didn't follow my plan. It's a very high probability that it will continue to those these lows which or these levels. There is a very high chance it will go to these levels, but we got our share of profit, so I don't want to risk, because there is always a probability that it can continue for the upside. Then I don't want to see. Okay, so it's going, but that's manipulation. There is a good chance it will follow. I entered over here and my SL was there 1:3. So this was a trade in euro plus 73. Let me draw others exactly where it was. My SL is around over here. See, if it reverses, there is still a chance. Then I won't regret not following my plans and going for 1:4. If it goes for 1:4, then it was not our plan. So it's once you achieve your targets, then it doesn't matter where it goes, because it can give 1:10, 20, 50, whatever, but it won't do it every day. What it can give you every day is 1:3, 1:2, 1:4. That's what you should target. GBP, my entry was somewhere around here. Okay, on this breakdown, 1 minute. 1:3 is over here. I think we will get stopped out in GBP. That's all right, because okay, we are about to be okay. We got stopped out in GBP. So minus 25 in GBP. Only one running position. 23. Yes, okay. 23 lost in GBP, made 73 in Euro, and now it's reversing. That's fine, no issue. My SL in my meta chart, it swept these highs, so I'm out. In trading view it didn't, but in meta my stop loss was here and I got swept. No worries. And JPY. So if JPY hits the take profit, then we will be up 8%, 8.2% roughly. 1:3. Okay, this one is this is right. Is there any swings that I can target? I won't, but okay, it's already around the swings. So, oh, there was a big dip. Is there any news? I didn't check. We are saved somehow. Almost hit our SL that swing. Okay, 8:30. Okay, there is still after 7 minutes. There is a news which I am also don't want to trade. I will trail below this swing. I think I will be swept. If it continues, then it's a very good place to place your SL. This is something I am worried about. 8:30. Right now it's at break even. No issue if it's SL, then we will lose $10. 25 over here, 10 over 35. Okay, so we got stopped out. So we lost $10 over here. In total, we made today $30. That's good, right? Where's, okay, here is the balance 5371. So we are done for the day. And if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.